far. I'm going out to the lake. Why don't you get the corner over here? Michigan. I can't, as far as I can see, I can't see open water. How you doing, buddy? Woo! I got my blue jeans on, right? Right. Dude, that's sheer ice out there on the pier. Alright, we're heading out. Thanks. Hey. Reed. Come here. They're shutting down Harbor Avenue, so we do have to leave. Woo! What'd you think?
Yeah, it's dangerous, definitely deadly conditions out there. I would not advise going out there in blue jeans, but we got some good long underwear. Yeah, you can see why blizzard conditions are so deadly. Exposed skin can only be out there for 30 seconds.
You're such a red. Not mine, mine's sick. I'll let Corby back.